Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on Valora Wallet. To change the language in the Valora Wallet, go ahead and open up the Valora application first on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page of your wallet, tap on the gear button located at the top right corner of the screen. Inside the gear button or the settings button, tap on Preferences. Tap on the language option and select your preferred language from the list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language immediately. The Valora app now should display in the new language you selected. You can always change it back to English or any other after coming to this Preferences tab as I showed on the tutorial. So that is how you change your language setting on Valora in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.